I left the hustle and bustle of city life for Nimba Nature Cure, a wellness retreat about 1 hour outside of Ahmedabad. After a lovely check-in, I was given a tour of this stunning property. I then checked into my very spacious and comfortable room, had my health assessment, and then met with my doctor who came up with my plan for the week. It included everything from my diet to yoga and meditation, Ayurvedic massages, acupuncture, sound healing therapy, and even energetic clearing. Stay tuned as I share more about my visit to Nimba Nature Cure.